Today, another big drop day. US market going down. What to do with Tesla and why we have such a big drop? What is next? Today, I will give you the insight from the chart and don't panic. Welcome to YM channel. This channel is about trading strategy, money mindset, and help you to learn more and earn more. Click like, subscribe, share with your friends. Now we look at Dow Jones. Dow Jones is very obvious. What happened is if let's say you don't have my indicator, okay? So if you draw a trend line, you kind of find something like this, okay? And you also find a gap here, okay? Gap here, you see? So one gap, two gaps. So this is quite a strong gap. So what happened is, let me draw you the line or the area for you to have a better understanding. So you see this gap, this is the upper one. The upper one is our resistance. And this is also the upper one. It's also our resistance. Basically, it's kind of like very similar level, right? At the same time, we have the trend line. That's why they are dropping for 3 days. Okay, this is Dow Jones. If you have my indicator, you don't need to figure out the trend line. You don't figure out the resistance, support, this kind of stuff. Why? Because if you click this YM Club Long, you see very clearly. Let me hide you this stuff first. High drawing. So if you look at my indicator, you see they try to go up this blue line. This blue line is 1 club long. Previously, I told you when this line is going downward, this means we hold the cash, okay? And this going downward. And what happened is when we touch this blue line, we need to have enough strong fund in order to break through the line. Does it make sense? Okay, so you can see here. You can see here. Is it strong? Not yet that strong. Not yet that strong. Not yet that strong. But the thing is, I want to give you a bit um here. Every time when we rebound, it's possible we do A, B, C when we do rebounds. Okay, this is not a trend reversal yet, not yet, but it's quite clearly we are still in the rebounds because the blue line is still going downward. Back to our favorite stock, Tesla. I'm sorry, I'm a bit coughing today, but if we look at Tesla, first thing, the trend is still going downward. Okay, the second thing, the fund. The fund basically getting weak from this day, but still above zero. The big volume trade, Y and big buy, when it's green, it's big, it's the net buying. Okay, when it's red, it's net selling. So you can see from this day we have weak, but we don't have actually the sell signal. Okay, but the institution holding is not really that strong yet because we still have a lot of green chips. But previously, we have this, okay? So we have institution come in. This is YM chip entry. So basically, I think what's going on, let me show you the YM club fast first. Today, if you bought with the red line, which is here, previously on this candle on 12th of March, I want you to remember, I told you when we buy here, we buy with the red, we sell with the red, so you can have some profit, right? Not a lot, only 9%, but still good, right? If you buy with the blue, you sell with the blue. The blue, we don't have signal yet. We don't have signal yet. But what I think is this one is not finished. The rebound is not finished. The rebound is not finished. The fund is not really that weak. The institution holding is more than average. And we have a bunch of institution holding buying here. So for me, they will form A, B, C. Okay, we just start to have the B. But if you want to strictly stick with the strategy, which I recommend you to, you can choose to reduce or to sell. Okay, so the strategy is supposed is to buy here and to sell here to lock your cash, to lock your profits. At least you got profit. Okay, so you're buying around this one, right? Around this level, 250, 230 at that time. And then we are selling now. So today is 268.38 if Tesla, the last 15 minutes is below this red line, this figure. Look at this number. 268.4 this moment, 268.4. You may choose to reduce, to cut gain, to reduce, to cut gain, or to sell it. Okay, you can always buy back later, or you just hold it. If you really think 1, 2, 3, you can also hold it. Okay, so but if you have a lot of amount, I don't know how much you put for this Tesla, but remember we are still in a downward trend, which means we are still in the rebounds. This is not a trend reversal. We are not in the upward trend. So we try to hold cash as much as cash. The maximum percentage should be cash, not the stock. Okay. If they change the direction, let's say they change here, we buy here, we hold it until here, then you are still okay. You buy here, you sell here, you're still okay. Some people very struggle. I want to buy at the lowest, otherwise they cannot sleep. Then you need to make extra effort. But remember, when you buy lowest, you only maximum buy 30%. Add 20% here, add another 20% here, and then you add here as well. Okay, so this is a strategy. So I see you in the next video. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. Bye.